come like club and stand up and dance and the girl and we chat to each other and thing, alright?
Don't forget.
Stop it. You see me I say? There are certain girls that eat on each other in our club and everything. And certain girls going all dance off queen them up on and with.
Yo, man, I like when people got the club and I talk about them and I like the next person. The girl, yeah, them things. No big up bone, the girl bones, you know what I mean? No man, but some real vibes, yo. Dance off queen bones from Atlanta, yo, she mad. Yo, she one of the realest girls. She alright then. She cool as hell, man. Like, you need to get to know her before you judge a book by its cover, man. Yo, you apply that to everything in your life. You can't just jump into everything and feel say, yo, your first judgment are the best judgment. You have to fuck, yeah, no, I'm stop cussing. I'm stop cussing, I'm cool over there.
Sorry for the adjective.
Sorry for the adjective, you hear them things. Alright, then please me few. But, no man, but serious. Yo, when you apply it, like positive vibes to everything in your life, yo, only a positive outcome can come out, right? So you can't just, yo, no, on some real thing. Yo, you can't just always feel so negative. I go push it through life. You have to do positive things in your life to get a positive outcome out of your life.
Alright then. Alright,
so damn thing now. Alright.
Them trend the way I try to say, cause you don't know, before we really get out in a scene like that, everybody is separated like as far as dancers and things, and since we come out with us, unite everybody. So the same thing where I try to for the ladies them, but you don't know, so them have to put in a 50% of it. Everything turn 100% is it. Alright then.
But one thing I have to say about Atlanta ladies, I love them. Alright then, because I'm gonna come out Atlanta and show me, man, love, isn't it? So me I say, alright then.
Let me show you love 23 times. Here, tell them, yo.
Let me show me too much love. Sometimes I say, alright then.
I say, yo, I'm going up a stone hill. Alright, around the corner is a golden spring. And I'm flowing down the spills of rain.
Alright, every day. Hey, look at your feet.
No bother.
Every day they say me I go cut, but me now bother. Every day I be
get
cut.
Hear me say, hey, girl, we want your style from about months to months get
cut.
Hear me say no. But anyway, some girl not the reggae scene, me not call her name, cause
them can't ever buy a buck like this and water and go on and them stush in a club.
And them girls don't stop shit at bush. But understand, alright then. Tell the girl them say, in the reggae scene, I love the girl who change them hairstyle every week and you see me? I can't deal with that. But there are some girl, 4 or 5 months, they have one hairstyle. You see me? And then you dagger them and thing and you smell like something like bun roach, you have to hold all your nose and you see me have to say, yo, I go and like some girl don't know soap and water. But I don't disrespect the ladies them cause I love them same way, but not the one them not the one them wanna be. See what them wanna be. You see me?
Yeah. But yo, woman know if to take care of themselves and present themselves in a different way.
That's why they get them love the girl that will turn them on.
Yeah.
You see me?
Girl that will turn me on.
Like my cologne want to spray me on.
You see me? You don't care about
you don't care about other than a dirty arm.
Makes you feel on the thing on it.
Turn around.
Yeah. Step out to the bedroom, me and she gone.
Put them to the action profile.
Yeah.
Alright then.
Alright then, so do your thing, girl.
Do your thing,
yeah. Much of my space right now. I ain't even chatting yet, you know. You see me? And you want to just drop a nice thing,
shake that thing, yeah man thing. Hey girl, I like the way that you do that thing. Hey, shake that thing, move that thing. Hey girl, I like the way you do that thing. So, oh mommy, you a model. When it come to you, yeah, money is the model. The way you do your thing and make other girls want to follow. Speeding in the coop, we left them lost in the shadow. Ball out today and we ball out tomorrow. Hey baby girl, come chill with a baller. Show you how we do it in a Kingston, Jamaica. When you're with me, say you're only going further. Take you different places where you never heard of. Chilling on the beach side in a Bermuda. Oh, you never know, money got a lot. Anything you want, no it doesn't matter. Treat you like a queen girl, I'm a good fella. When I'm sleep at night, you're the feather to my pillow.
It's a drama, for sitting girl, I like our
See that? You just mess up the thing, you know, cause.
Yeah, never got the thing for you for us. But them money are the real dog. And them money say it's a drama.
We don't give them say it's a drama. We don't tell them it's a drama. We don't tell them to push the W, push the A, and go push the R. You see me?
I know them not reach far.
We don't tell them we're not in a war, and them know them now get far. Crisscross bad line. Convince me to go bust my nine. Catch him on the Batman spin and drink on neighbor wine. Let me get my black and broken spine. You see? Well, then got this star and made him a dead star. This is a war concrete star. You can't run up in a this star. Because I believe that the trend and me. Sign out. Boom!
Alright then. So yo.